Little nephew Meguiar and my beautiful partner Julia.
Yeah, good on you, Julia. And what about, we've been up to the Hot Wheels stand as well.
Yeah, mate, he's been enjoying every moment of it.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's take the covers off and what are we going to reveal here, mate? We've got Nathan right here. G'day, mate. How are you?
Yeah, good buddy, yourself?
Yeah, that's good. All right. First of all, the pit crew here. Who have we got?
Brendan, the little nephew Meguiar and my beautiful partner Julia.
Yeah, good on you, Julia. And what about, we've been up to the Hot Wheels stand as well.
Yeah, mate, he's been enjoying every moment of it.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's take the covers off and what are we going to reveal here, mate?
Just our old HT GTS Monaro, mate.
It's not just an old HT Monaro. Have a look at this. Make a bit of noise. How good? Okay, tell us a little bit about it. Where did it come from to start off with?
Mate, we bought the car about 7 years ago. Sam blasted it and it went downhill from there. Opened the can of worms as you do. And just, mountain after mountain. But we're here, we made it, and yeah.
Oh, nice, okay. And did you buy it in any sort of condition? You said 70 years ago, that's not that long. Was it old and rusted and you brought it up to here, or was it a project that was already started?
Mate, it looked like a good car until we blasted it and opened the can of worms. But Bob does wonderful things, mate.
Beautiful, all right, so the camera's sort of tracking around the car. Tell us a little bit about the power plant and take us through the rest of the interior.
Yeah, it's got a Dandy Engines 427 with a 4.5 Whipple. Reed case Turbo 400, carbon tail shaft, wave track center, Gazette Brothers rear end. Got the 20s on it. We thought we'd do something different. Instead of the race wheels, we put some 20s. Just standard interior. Yeah, that's it, mate. Pub runner.
Yeah, that's all right. Other than filling it up with bog, what was the most difficult part of the build?
Coming up with the intake, mate, because it's a rear field blower. So we put the 2 air filters under the cowl panel. So the whole cowl is the intake.
Nice, and what's going to happen to it after we're finished here at Meguiar's MOTOREX?
Get it back to Darwin, mate. We're from Darwin, so hats off to the missus. We done 6 days driving with the newborn to get it here. So yeah, enjoy, mate, enjoy.
Plenty of noise. A big round of applause for Nathan. It's just sensational, mate, and massive from coming down from Darwin as well.
Thanks, buddy. All the best.
Hey, well done. All right.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.